Hello everyone, it's Crypto Legend bringing you guys a video on what is going on with crypto and the current state of crypto at the time of recording this video on December 5th. Right now there was a flash crash going on Saturday, the Saturday before today's of Sunday. Right now we're seeing a huge dip happening, but I want to remind people this is kind of the same thing and same pattern we saw last year in December. In early December, we saw the price of crypto going down, especially on December 5th, which is today. December 5th going into December 8th and 10th. There was a huge decline. We saw crypto go down. We saw the trading market of crypto go down to around $540 billion. Once we got to December 13th, though, we started to see an increase. It went up from $566 billion to $666 billion, all the way up into early to mid-January of over $1 trillion. And then we saw a little bit of a decline, a little bit of consolidation happening around this area. But then we saw the price jump right back up and actually go to $1.7 trillion, breaking an all-time high, and then consolidating again, and then breaking an all-time high. And then, of course, we know what happened in late May, April, and June, July, all the way until we got into August. Once we started seeing some inclining, we saw the price of crypto, we saw the market cap of crypto go from all the way down from $1.3 trillion all the way up into August of $2.4 trillion, and then breaking an all-time high, hitting $3 trillion. This same thing kind of sort of happened back in December 2019, where you can see in early November, we saw the price of crypto at $250 billion. But then when we go to December, early December, it was down to almost 190 at $202 billion. Before we get to the mid and later December, where it was going up to 190, and then we go to January 2020, and it was at 230, 240, 250, and then basically almost $300 billion. And then we started seeing some reclining, because that's when, COVID started to hit. So I honestly believe around mid-December to late December, we're going to see a huge increase. It might possibly even happen tomorrow. Who knows, when you're in the market of crypto. Now let's look over what's happening at BitMart. BitMart was recently hacked, and there was a large-scale security breach, and it seems that BitMart is trying to hide how big of a security breach it was. In a quote by BitMart, this is according to Microsoft News, "We have identified a large-scale security breach related to one of our ETH hot wallets and one of our BSC hot wallets. At this moment, we are still concluding the possible methods used," the company's CEO and founder Sheldon Zia wrote on Twitter Saturday night. The hackers were able to withdraw assets of the value of approximately $150 million US dollars. BitMart later on said that in a statement that all wallets except ETH and BSC are secured and unharmed. The hacker used decentralized exchange aggregator to exchange the ETH cryptocurrency and deposited the funds into a private Ethereum mixing service called Tornado Cash, which makes it difficult to track the funds, according to CoinDesk. Although BitMart CEOs said that it was about $150 million, PeckShield learned, a blockchain security research company, estimated that a greater loss had incurred, that the money loss was a total of $100 million in the form of Ethereum and $96 million in the form of BSC. Because of this, BitMart temporarily suspended all withdrawals until further notice, the company announced on Twitter late Saturday night. PeckShield first flagged on Twitter earlier Saturday night that a great number of outbound transfers were being made after various tokens were being sent out of BitMart's hot wallet. Now, several crypto hacking incidents in which millions of dollars were lost. In August, Poly Network, a protocol for crypto exchange, said that it had lost $611 million after it was hacked, and what was expected to be the largest fraud in decentralized finance history. They released a statement saying that we will take legal actions and we urge the hackers to return the assets. And later that same week, the hackers reportedly returned half of the stolen funds. In August, Liquid, Japan's crypto exchange, experienced a hacking incident in which it reportedly lost $74 million worth of Bitcoin, ETH, and other cryptos. The hack prompted the platform to suspend deposits and withdrawals at the time. These are a lot of setbacks, and it's making people, a lot of crypto investors nervous if there is going to be more regulation pushed on crypto because of all these people losing their money. Singapore suspends crypto exchange overthrow with K-pop band BTS. Bitget reportedly loses its license after it promoted Army coin named after BTS Army followers. Singapore's financial regulators has reportedly suspended Bitget, a crypto exchange that is mired in a row involving South Korea's biggest boy band BTS. Bitget has removed the monetary authority of Singapore's logo from its website. The Guardian confirmed the platform still claims to have licenses from Australia, Canada, and the United States, according to its websites. According to a financial team's report on Sunday, Bitget was suspended after it got into a high-profile dispute for promoting the digital currency Army coin, which is named after the boy band's followers who are known as the BTS Army. In October, the platform was threatened with legal action by the BTS management company HIB Corporation for promoting Army coin to traders using an unauthorized image of the band and distributing what it said was false information that the coin was made for BTS and intended to maximize its profits. This boy band in particular had made history earlier in the year, being named the Global Recording Artist of the Year for 2020 by the International Federation of Phonographic Industry, becoming the first act that performs in a language other than English to top annual ranking. Hibbs said the coin had no affiliation with BTS and urged anyone who has suffered financial damage linked to Army coin to file a report at the nearest police station, which, if you are in crypto, you know rarely does anything. We are currently reviewing legal violations, including infringing of an artist's portrait right, without consulting with the company, and we will take all legal action against infringements and violations. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, said last month it was introducing strong regulation for companies that dealt with cryptocurrencies. With crypto-based activities, it is basically an involvement in a prospective future, the shape of which it is not clear at this point, said Ravi Menon, the managing director of MAS, in an interview with the Bloomberg. He also later added, but not to get into this game, I think it risks Singapore being left behind. Getting early into that game means we can have a head start and better understand its potential benefits as well as its risk. The rabbit hole that crypto is going into is getting deeper and deeper and deeper. But I still believe, after hearing all this, that crypto can still make a rise. There's always been articles and news that came out to hurt crypto, but later on crypto rises and always does rise, as proven in its charts. Yesterday, after the flash crash, XRP exploded more than 44% from flash crash lows, moving to $2 upcoming. They hit a low of 57 cents after being at 92 cents, and it was tough for a lot of XRP investors after staying stable and having that quick little run and staying above $1 in value. But they was able to manage a rally and get up to 85 cents. Because XRP has already triggered the price levels previously forecasted, the move has been made and XRP can begin its next big leg higher. To do that, XRP must first close at or above the daily Kijun Sen at 98 cents to achieve an undeniable bullish breakout. XRP needs a daily close at $1.21. If $1.21 is reached, the projected target range is $2 in value area, value area, followed by $3.35. But what's making it so tough for people to even fully believe that is the SEC case looming over its head. People thought it would have been done by now, including me myself, but that is proving to not be the case. But we'll see what will happen in the year of 2022. After breaking down the cryptocurrency global charts down to 60 days rather than the max, we can see that there was this dip was a crazy dip. It went from 2.7 trillion all the way down to 2.3 trillion dollars. I believe that this is where we're going to see a nice incline in the price for sure. First, we're going to see Bitcoin hit a nice all-time high again, but then we're going to see some money go out of Bitcoin's wallets but going into altcoins wallets, and we're going to see an increase in altcoins. I believe that in mid to early late December, we're going to see Bitcoin break an all-time high, if not get close to it. But we're going to also see people taking some money out of altcoins, and we're going to see altcoins and Bitcoin as well breaking all-time highs in the month of January and late December. And February and March are going to be crazy months for crypto. Thank you guys for watching though. It is the Scripted Legend bringing you guys a YouTube video. Share with me your thoughts on this video down below in the comments section. I thank you all for watching, especially all the way through. If you are still here, I have a question for you. Are you subscribed? If that's a yes, then congratulations, and I thank you so much. If you're not, then please consider subscribing. The second question is, have you left a like? If you haven't left a like, please consider leaving a like, especially if you watched it all the way to the end. Obviously shows that you enjoyed it somewhat. Thank you all for watching. Scripted Legend signing out. Peace.